The Congress president's, in fact, political advisor, senior leader Ahmed Patel, who has also been accused in the Choppergate, he has spoken out. He's demanding a fair probe. He says they can hang us if an iota of truth is there.
Agencies are there. They must investigate. और जो भी है कम से कम ट्रूथ सामने ले आए ना.
But the fact is that the name that Mr. Swamy is quoting is that.
Have you read this Hindu?
Yes, I have.
Then and who has assisted interview में? आपको तो मालूम है.
So even.
और उसने क्या कहा कि both notes and this is whatever handwritten thing, it is all the forged, and he has not written this note. और अगर ऐसी नोट और अगर ऐसी जो है जिसे कहते हैं कि पन्नों पे ये करने लग जाएंगे तो बहुत सारी.
Okay, in fact, let's go back to Javed Ansari, who continues to be with us. Javed, you know, we can understand the Congress sensitivities when it comes to anybody from the Gandhi family, and especially when it is Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. But at the end of the day, this is a 225-page judgment that has been delivered by an Italian court. You know, we expect other countries to take our court judgments seriously. So does the Congress really think that they can be dismissive about it?
No, they're not being dismissive about the judgment. What they're saying is that this note, where the Congress leadership's name is mentioned, is a part of a handwritten note, which the author subsequently has denied, as has been reported by a leading news daily of the country today. So they say, how can you take that to be the gospel's truth? And even if assuming that is the case, go ahead and investigate. Let the investigation be free and fair and transparent, and let the truth come out. There's no point in resorting to innuendo. There's no point in just muckraking. Let there be a proper inquiry, a structured inquiry, and let the truth emerge.
Okay, we'll wait there. Of course, you know, this does look like it's going to be a very, very stormy first week as far as the second half of the budget session of Parliament is concerned. Javed Ansari getting us those perspectives from outside of Parliament in Vijay Chowk.
Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has constituted a committee under the Transport Minister of Rajasthan, Yunus Khan, and all state transport ministers to submit a report on a bill to make fair